Hi guys, going full speed, lots of wind, big waves, everything at once, makes it quite shaky. I have to force myself to eat something. I'm afraid I might spill it all over the place. Let's see. The mood is quite okay because this is not lasting very long, I mean only 12 hours. And then we have lots of downwind. Looking forward to that. Wish us best luck for these 12 hours. Today and tonight until midnight, then it should ease off and lift. Wow! This is the brutality you forget. You forget it when you're on the dock for a while. Don't know what to say. I hope you're in a calm place, man. Ciao.